Now this also leads us to be able to write down the equation or the shortest distance between two lines which are parallel to each other. By assuming one point on one of the parallel lines, we can find the shortest distance between that point as well as from the other line which is parallel to it. And thus we arrive at the relation, the distance between two parallel lines, ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0 is just the numerical value of the difference between the constants divided by the square root of a square plus b square. But how do we actually come across this relation? ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. It looks very neat and it looks very convenient, but it is actually so? Well, it is, and even though I won't go into the full details of the derivation, but you can work it out by doing this. So I'll give you a brief summary of how this is calculated. Suppose we have a straight line ax plus by plus c equals 0, and we have a point P whose coordinates are x1, y1. Suppose we desire to find the shortest distance between P and the straight line, and suppose that is indicated by this line segment PM. Suppose this is denoted as D, and suppose let us join P to the points of intersection of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 with the x and y axis. Let's call these points R and S. So it is easily verifiable that the coordinate of the point R will be minus c upon a times minus c upon a comma 0, and S will be 0 comma minus c by b. Now, if we want to find out the area of the triangle PSR, how can we calculate it? We can just say that area of triangle PSR is half times base times height. Yes, but we also know the coordinates of the three vertices of this triangle. So we can also use the triangle formula to find out the area of this triangle. Now, half times base times height is half times d times rs, the length rs, and the length rs is given by the distance formula. Whereas on the right side, you can use the determinant formula for finding out the area of the triangle. And now, evaluating and simplifying that, you will get d is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square's absolute value. So this is the method which is used to derive this condition. It's pretty straightforward, and the algebra is not very complicated as well. You should try it in your notebook and try to get the answer. And so if you get it, it is that much more easier to remember it.